Hello and welcome to Dataczar. Today I'm going to show you how to change the look of your website at connect.dataczar.com. So first thing you need is go to dataczar.com and get logged in. Click on the login button. And we're already logged in, so that takes us to dashboard on the main menu. We'll get rid of that. We'll go full screen. And to work on your website, to change the look of your website, click on the website button. These are some of the editing tools. Post, pages. These are page templates. We're going to be working with theme and then also their settings. So click on theme right there. And the current theme is the main theme. That's the theme that you get when you register your domain. So let's tab over. This is our AAA Outdoor Scenes website. This is the main theme. This is what it looks like if you have something added to your home page. It's, white background with black text. And then also we created this blog here. And we have a blog post, how to change the look of your website. We're going to quickly go over Cosmo, Earth, Darkly, and Agency, those 4 templates. Here's some other ones we recommend. You can also add a logo. You can add a background image. You can include blog posts on your homepage. We're going to do all of this. So it's going to go quick. Let's tab back over. And so we're on the website button now. So the first thing we want to do is we want to change the themes. But there's one thing very important I need to mention. The public preview URL, if you have a domain, your domain's going to show here. But the public preview URL is what you want to use when you're adjusting your theme because this updates very quickly. If you're on your website, it has to go to servers all around the world. It might take, a couple of minutes to update each time. But this updates almost immediately. So make sure that you click on the public preview URL to view your website. So you click on that, and that shows the public preview URL right there. Let's go full screen here, and let's tab back over. So we're on the website button. We clicked on themes. The first theme we want to choose is Cyborg. And you can see up here that it says website updated. So you don't have to click the update button on themes. It automatically updates. Let's tab back over. Let's go ahead and refresh the screen. Control F5. And there's Cyborg. There's the first theme. Let's tab back over. And actually it was Cosmo was the one that I wanted to show. I accidentally chose Cyborg. So there's Cosmo. Let's tab back over. We'll do Control F5. And there's Cosmo. It has a different top and bottom menu with the white background. We'll tab back over. Just going to run through these real quick here. And then Darkly is the next theme we want to choose. So let's go ahead and choose that. There's Darkly. We'll tab back over. And we'll go ahead and refresh the screen. And there's Darkly again. It gives it a totally different look. So let's tab back over to Connect. Again, website button. We're on themes. The next one is Earth. I really enjoy this theme a lot. So let's take a look at that. Let's refresh the website. And you notice how quickly everything's refreshing because we're using the public preview URL. So this is Earth. Tab back over one more time. And the other one I want to choose is Agency. And we'll tab back over to the website. Control F5. And refresh the screen, and there's Agency right there. So as you can see, all of these have different looks, but there's more that you can do to change the look of your website. If you scroll down to the bottom of the themes, these are all our different themes, you can add a logo. So we're going to choose the logo. We already have it in My Images. And logos need to be long and short. Anything long and short works really good. If it's square like that, it's not going to work as well. So we're going to use this as our logo. We're going to choose that. And then we're going to go to Advanced, and we're going to click a background image. This is also going to change the look. We'll go to My Images. Again, we already have one selected here, so we're going to use this one right here. You can use the color override, but these themes, there's so many different options, and the colors are already so good, you probably don't need to use that. Let's go ahead and click Update. We're going to add the logo, add the background image, click Update whenever you make an adjustment. And then one other thing, we're going to go to Pages right here. And on Home Index page, we're going to add Posts. So we can click the Edit button on Home Index. We're going to scroll all the way down to the bottom. We're going to check Include Posts. And we're going to click Update. And those adjustments are going to make a big difference. So let's go back to Theme. And let's start with Cosmo here. So let's go back to Cosmo that we looked at earlier. It's updated, automatically updates when you click on the theme, and we'll tab back over. We'll refresh the screen, and there it is with the background image with the logo. Gives it a totally different look. So let's tab back over, and the next one would be the darkly. We're just going to run through these quickly. Choose theme, and tab back over. We'll refresh the website. And again, there's darkly with the logo, with the background image, and with the posts added to the homepage. Adding posts to your homepage makes a big difference too. And the next one is Earth. Choose theme, and tab back over to the website. We'll refresh the website. And this is Earth. Top menu's different. It doesn't show the background image on Earth, but I really like the way that these posts show on the home page. And tab back over, and the other one that we chose was Agency. And again, tab back over. We'll refresh the screen. And again, Agency doesn't show the background image, but on the posts they lay out really nicely. So this is also super cool. So let's tab back over to our to Connect, and that's how you adjust the themes. Also, if you need other help on your website, click on the Help button. We have featured tutorial videos, or you can click on the Help Center right here. And the Help Center is really good. You have website help here. You can click on More Topics. It gives you a lot of different topics on the Help Center. And you can return to the Help Center here. Most common questions, again, we have the featured tutorial videos here. Let's tab back over to Connect, back to Dashboard. And that's it. That's how to change the look of your website with Dataczar Connect.